Namaste. Welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is analogy numbers. Let's begin. Let's see the question. So you will get understood what are the steps you have to follow, which we have discussed before. 9, 25. So first set is 9 and 25. The second set is 36 and question mark. So we have to find the relationship between the first two numbers, that is 9 and 25. So we have to apply the same pattern to the next set. So let's see what is the relation 9 and 25. So do you know the square numbers? Yes, you should know the square numbers from 1 to 20 and cube numbers from 1 to 10. So square numbers is related here. The relationship is square numbers. The four options you can see: 64, 81, 100, 144. All are the square numbers. Okay, let's see what's the relation is. 9 and 25. 9 is a square of 3, right? Then 25. 25 is a square of 5. See, 3 square and 5 square. What is the relation between 3 and 5? If you add 2 to 3, you will get 5 as the answer. So, you have to find the first square of the numbers, the square root of that number. Then you have to add 2 to that number. So, you will arrive the next number. That means, I will say, see, 36. 36 is a square of 6 square. So, we have to add number 2 to that number. So, we will get the next number as 6 plus 2 gives 8. So, what is 8 square? 8 square is 64. So, 64 is our answer. Option A is 64. That's our answer. You have to choose option A as our answer. Easy, isn't it? Okay, next move to the next question. Question number 2. 42 and question mark, that is one set. Then 156 and 210. See, you have to find the relation between the second set of numbers, 156 and 210. Okay, four options are given: 72, 90, 110 and 144. Let's see what is the relation between this 156 and 210. See, 156. Can you find any square, perfect square near to 156? 144, isn't it? So 144 is a square of 12. 12 square 144 plus 12, you'll get 156 as the answer. That means 12 square plus 12. Square of a number, again adding the same number, you'll get the first number. Then what about the second number? 210. 14 square. 14 square is 196. 196 very near to 210. Then if you add the same number, 14 to 14 square, you'll get 196 plus 14. The answer is 210. Okay. Then 12 and 14. What's the relation between 12 and 14? 12 plus 2, you'll get 14. So same pattern, same relationship you have to apply to the first set of the question. Okay, 42. 42, can you identify any square numbers, perfect square, which is nearer to 42? 36, isn't it? So 36 is the square of 6. 6 square is 36 plus 6, adding the same number. So 6 square plus 6, 36 plus 6, you'll get 42. Then what you have to do? 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. See, 8 square plus again adding the same number, that is 8. So 8 square plus 8, 64 plus 8, you'll get 72 as the answer, which is the option A is 72. You have to choose that. Okay, you got it right. Move to the next question. Question number 3. 12, 68, 30, question mark. What is the first set? 12 and 68. Second set? 30 and question mark. Okay, very easy. I will tell how it is. Okay, let's see the hint. N square plus n is the first number. Then n plus 1 whole cube plus n plus 1. The hint looks a little bit difficult, but still I will explain how it is. Very easy. See, 12, which is the square number very near to 12? 9 or 16. Let's see the 9. Okay, 9. 9 is a square of 3 square. Then adding the same number 3 square to 3, you'll get 12. 9 plus 3, 12. Okay, then what's the next number? N plus 1. N plus 1 means n is 3. So plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, next number. What you have to do? Cube of that number, 4 cube. How much? 4 cube is 64. Then what you have to do? Adding the same number, adding the n plus 1 number. That means n plus 1 what? 4. So adding the 4 to the 4 cube. 4 cube plus 4, 64 plus 4, you'll get 68. Easy, isn't it? So n, for first number you have to square the number, then adding the same number. For the next number in the question set, you have to cube the n plus 1, cube that, then adding the same number, you will get the next number in the question set. So doing the same pattern to the next set of the numbers, two numbers, 30. Which number? First of all, you have to square that number. So 30. Which number, which perfect square very nearer to 30? Okay, let's see. 5 square. 5 square means 25. 25 plus adding the same number, 5. To 5 square, 25 plus 5, you'll get 30, isn't it? Then what we have to do? Next number. Which is the next number to 5? 6. Then what you have to do? Cube of that number. So 6 cube plus 6, adding that number itself. So 6 cube is 216 plus 6, 222. You can see in the screen. So the answer is 222. Option D is 222 and that is our answer. Okay, move to the next question. Question number 4. 11 and 30 is one set and question mark and 128 is the next set. So the 4 options are like this: 65, 66, 67, 68. Oh, these are all in the range of 60. Okay. 11 and 30. What is the relation? See, you can see in the hint in the screen. N cube plus 3 and n plus 1 whole cube plus 3. That means you have to add 3 to the both of the numbers. Before that, what you have to do? First of all, you have to find that one number. Then you have to cube that number. That means, let's see, 11. Which cube number very nearer to 11? 8, isn't it? Then 8. 8 is a cube of 2. 2 cube is 8 plus what you have to do? Then you have to add 3. So 8 cube plus 3, 8 plus 3, the answer is 11. First number. Then what you have to do for the second set? The hint is like this: n plus 1 whole cube plus 3. Then what is n? Here n is 2. 2 cube plus 3. So n is 2. Then n plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So you have to cube that number. 3 cube is 27. Then what you have to do? Adding 3. 27 plus 3 is 30. So we get the second number of the first set of the question. So 2 cube plus 3, 3 cube plus 3. Following the same pattern, see 128. Which cube number? Okay, it is already given. Before that, let's see the 128. See 5 cube. 5 cube is a 125 cube number which is very nearer to 128. Then 125, what do we have to do? Adding 3. So 125 plus 3, 128. Then coming back, which number comes before the before of 5 is 4. So 4 cube plus 3. 4 cube is 64. Then we have to add 3. So 64 plus 3 is 67. Easy, isn't it? So the option is C is 67 and that's our answer. Okay, moving to the question number 5. 65 question mark 126 and 48. We had to find the relationship between the second set of the questions, see 126 and 48. By looking at the 126 and 48, can you guess any number? Yes, square numbers and cube numbers. See, 126 is cube number. I mean, 125 is very nearer to 126. So 125 is a cube number and 48. 49 is very nearer to 48. 49 is nearer to 48 and 49 is a square number. So you can guess the relation, isn't it? See, n cube plus 1 for first number, the relation is like this: n cube plus 1. For the second number, n plus 2 whole square minus 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, see 126. 126 is a cube, 125, 5 cube plus what you have to do, adding one number. Before that 48, no worries. 5 cube plus 1, 125 plus 1, 126, then 48. 48 is a square of, that means 7 square is 49, then I have to subtract 1, so 49 minus 1, 48. Look at this number, 5 and 3, 5 and 7, 5 plus 2, you'll get 7. So let's see the 65. 65, 64, which is a cube number. 64 is a cube of 4 cube. So 4 cube, 64, then adding 1 to 64, you'll get 65. Then what is the next number? 4 plus 2 is 6. Then what you have to do? Square of that number. 6 square is 36. 36. Then what we have to do? Subtract one number. 36 minus 1 is 35, which is in option D is 35, and you have to choose that answer. I hope you understood this video. If you have any queries or doubts, comment below. If you want to practice on this question, on this topic, quiz link given below, go through it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.